Hello student and good morning. Today I am going to teach you EVS or social science, you can say that. First chapter is when, where and how, and it is the portion of history. Today I am going to teach you history, lesson number 1. And the name of the chapter is when, where and how. History means when, where and how. When means ketia, kab. Or in Bengali, kokhon. And where means what? Where means koth hoise, kaha hua hai, and kothai hoyeche. I am giving you the description in 3 languages. And how means keneka, kaise, kerokom kore. So history means story of past. So here in the chapter it is written in the first line that history is a story of changes in our life. That means history changed our life. We learn many things from our past. History means past, which we have not seen what happened in the past, but through books and by our elders we came to know about our past. So history is divided into 3 categories. The categories are ancient, medieval and modern. These are the 3 periods that history is divided. Medieval means the middle age and modern the going age. So the modern period in India, just I will give a short description of modern period. What is modern period? In India, the modern period is said to have started in 18th century when the modern period started in India in 18th century. EIGHTEE and 18th century. Okay, that means when in India the modern period start. The modern period start in India in 18th century. Then some of the characteristic features of modern are including what? The modern which developed our country, like industrialization, rapid progress of technology, then growth of cities and greater interaction among nations. These are the things which improve our country. Without industry, we can't survive. Many things we are getting from industry.